In this video, we are going to discuss special right triangles, which are 30, 60, 90 triangle and 45, 45, 90 triangle. As you can see in the diagram 1, we have a triangle ABC whose angles are 30, 60 and 90. Now 30, 60, 90, these are the angles, and side opposite to 30 degree is A, side opposite to 60 degree is B, and side opposite to 90 degree is C. Let me write here 1, here 2, and this is root 3. That means the ratio of the sides A is to B is to C in 30, 60, 90 triangle is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Now it is easy to memorize it because just remember the smallest angle 30, then we have the angles are in increasing order, 30, then 60, then 90, and these values 1, root 3 and 2, these are also in increasing order. So if 30 is 1 and 90 is 2, the middle one is sum of these and under root. This is I am teaching you just how to memorize these. We will solve some questions based on these properties in the later part of this video. So let us now try to understand what is 45, 45, 90 triangle and ratio between the sides. The diagram 2 shows 90, 45, 45 or 45, 45, 90 triangle. 45, 45, 90 triangle. In 45, 45, 90 triangle, the ratio of the sides are 1, 1 and root 2. That means side A is 1, side B is 1 and the side C is root 2. Angles sides facing 45 degree and 45 degree, that is A and B, they are both equal and 1 each, whereas side C is root 2. Now we will solve few questions based on these concepts to have better clarification. The question 1 here shows a 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is 90, this is 60, so this angle will be 30. Let me name it A, B and C. So I will write here as 30, 60 and 90. So we have the ratio of the sides as 1, 2 and root 3. Now which side is facing 30? That is 8. Which side is facing angle 60 degree? The side is X. And the side that is facing 90 degree is Y. Now we have to find the value of X and Y here. As we know, the ratio is 1 is to root 3 is to 2 and 1 corresponds to 8, as you can see here. That is, it is 8 times. 1 times 8 is 8. So X will be also 8 times. So root 3 times 8, or we can write it as 8 root 3. So this X is going to be 8 root 3 and this is also 8 times. So 2 times 8 will give you 60. That means the values of x and y will be 8 root 3 and 16 respectively. Let us take a look at another example now. This is again a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and we have, let me name them, so A, B and C. This is 30, 60, 90 triangle. Actually these are degrees. So 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So side facing 30 degree is 1 by 2, and we have sides facing 60 degree y and side facing 90 degree is x. As you can see here, this is 90 degree and side opposite this is x, and the ratio, as we have learned already, is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So how we should find the value of x and y? Now see the relation. It is 1 and it is half of that. So this will be also, that means 1 multiplied by 1 by 2 gives you half. That means it is half times 1 by 2 times. So this will also be 1 by 2 times. So that will give you root 3 times 1 by 2, which is root 3 by 2. So value of y will be root 3 by 2. And similarly, this is 2 and you have to multiply this by half. So 2 by half, 2 times 1 by 2 gives you 1. So this x will be 1. So values of y and x are respectively root 3 by 2 and 1. Now let us consider few examples from 45, 45, 90 triangle. As you can see in this diagram, we have one side 99 and these two sides are equal, so this will also be 9. Now we learnt in our properties the ratio of the sides in 45, 45, 90, that is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Now the side facing this angle is 45 and this angle is 45. Why? Because these two angles will be equal, as they are opposite equal sides, 9 and 9. So those sides are equal. So angles opposite these sides will be equal. So this angle is 90. So 90 divided by 2, 45, 45 each. These two angles will be 45 each. Now as we have this as 9, so how many times? 9 times. So this side will also be 9 times, so 9, and this is root 2, so will be again 9 times, so 9 root 2. So other two sides will be 9 and 9 root 2. Hope this explanation was clear. Let us take one more example. In question 2, we can see again a 45, 45, 90 triangle, but this time the side facing 90 degree is 7 root 2, and we are required to find this value as well as this value. So just compare these two, what is given to us. This is 7 times. 7 times root 2 is 7 root 2. So we will multiply this by 7. We get 7 here. we will multiply this by 7 and we get again 7 here. So the other two sides would be 7 and 7. This is how we find the sides of either 30 60 90 or 45 45 45 90 when one ratio is given or one side is just given to us. We can find the other two sides in this way. Hope my explanation was clear. If you have any confusion, you can discuss.